Great. Just what I need.
Ano?
I think it is what you need, son.
Ano yun?
Listen, I can give you fresh supplies
Sino?
on one condition. Now on you
Sinira mo yan.
embrace the fairy
Patay ka na
spirits.
naman.
We've got
Sinira mo
mysteries
yung
of
remote.
legends here. Fine. I'll be the best tooth fairy ever.
Ano? 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 Hindi ko maintindihan. Ano? Hindi mo na maayos yan. Sinira mo.
I wanna tell you, I can't.
Oh, patay ka. Sinira mo. Kakain na tayo? Kakain tayo?
I know what this is.
Tara.
This is you acting out because you are afraid of making
Ah,
a commitment.
ayusin mo na yan.
Serious, aren't you?
Ayusin mo na.
Yes. That's it.
Ayusin mo. Lagay mo na. Lagay. Oh, ayos
Nervous
mo.
about how serious we're getting.
Ganito. Ganito. Yan. Yan. Tapos to. Dito. Oh, okay na.
And frankly, you wouldn't understand.
Oh.
Look,
No.
Look. Hey. No. I'm not nervous about us.
Okay
getting
na ba?
serious. As a matter of fact, I wouldn't even think about getting serious with you. What? Ooh.
Ano to?
I freaked. And
Brum, brum, brum. Paano?
I'm scared of messing up, and I'm scared of losing you.
Hala ka! Hoy!
I understand. So glad you could see
Bye-bye na, bye-bye.
What can I get somebody that? What are you doing?